Hey guys, and welcome to the Farm and Pastor's Wife. Today's video is just a little bit different. I'm not cooking a whole lot these days because it's hay season and the guys don't get in till late at night, and even if they come in for supper they want it light and then they head back out, and so that's what's happening today. So I had to go to Sam's and get some supplies for a church meal for our graduates. So Jessica, Isaac's girlfriend, went with me to Sam's. We went into Food Line and I got me some things. I got her the church supplies, and so that's what we've done today. I picked up some things at Sam's for supper. We've come home, we've done some hay stuff. I'm fixing to get on the tractor and I'll video that too. So, but today's video is a little different, like most of them here lately. So enjoy a little bit of going with me to town. And Jessica, well, you don't really see us in town. I just film what I bring back, and I film some hay footage, and I film me fixing our supper. So enjoy. This is kind of a collage of videos from today. Hey guys, so I said I was taking you guys along with me for the ride, but I have failed to do so, and I'm sorry. We went to Sam's and I bought all the church's stuff, and I bought me some stuff, and I'll show you that when we get home. And I just bought supper tonight, what we're going to have for supper. And let's see, what else? Oh, Jessica and I went out to eat at Blaze Pizza, and we shared a pizza, and it was so good. It was called their White Top, and we added chicken. It was so good. So good. And let's see. Then we went to Hamrick's, and I bought a Tervis cup. I bought two Tervis cups because they were buy one, get one free. And so I bought a coffee one and a tall one. And because I have some drinks that I'm going to be making, some like copycat Starbucks drinks. Or Dunkin' drinks. And so we went by the church, we unloaded the church supplies there. I bought 110 pork chops. 110 pork chops. Excuse me. And then some more supplies that we needed. So we went by the church, and I put that in the refrigerator there at the church and put everything up. And so now we're at Food Line. I'm just bought some rotisserie chickens for supper tonight, and I'm gonna make some mashed potatoes. And I bought a salad that we're gonna have at Sam's. So Jessica has gone in for me, and she's getting potatoes. What else is she getting? Oh, I wanted a watermelon. So hopefully neither one of us are good at picking out watermelons. And I always let Bryant pick out our watermelon, but he's not with me. So anyway, I will see you guys at home, and I'll show you what I got at Sam's. Okay guys, so let's start at Hamrick's. I got these Tervis cups. This tall one says simple is beautiful. And this coffee one says, nope, not today. And so I'm really excited about those. I plan on doing some drink recipes, like some Dunkin' Donut drink recipes or Starbucks, and then just some refreshing drinks and have them in there. So then we moved on to Food Line. Jessica went in for me. I sat in the car. She got Isaac some albacore tuna. He is on a diet, so he's eating a lot of tuna. So got him that, and he wanted mustard to go in it instead of mayonnaise. And we needed yellow potatoes for tonight's supper. Caroline requested mashed potatoes. We also got a watermelon that hopefully we're going to slice up and eat tonight. And while we were at Food Line, let's jump over here. Their sodas were on sale for $3 for $9. So we got one Dr. Pepper, one Pepsi, one Mountain Dew. So we are set for a while there. So now let's go back over here and start with Sam's. At Sam's, I got these Power Pack laundry detergent packs, pods. I really like them. I had them last time, and so I got some more. I really liked them. Then I love grapefruit, so I got some red grapefruit cups, so I'm really excited about those. We needed bread because poor Bryant, during haytime, they eat a lot of sandwiches, and today we were out of sandwich meat, and so he had to eat a mayonnaise sandwich, and I think it was kind of on older bread. So I've got him some fresh bread, and let me jump over here. I got him a double pack of smoked turkey breast, so they will eat a lot of turkey sandwiches. I've got to go get them some chips and so forth. But I got some dinner rolls just for when I need something quick and easy. Summertime is a lot of quick, easy meals. I like plates that make me happy, and I saw these and I just smiled when I saw them, so I got a pack. A friend at church, this didn't come from a store, or I didn't get it today. A friend from church brought me this bag of onions, so I'm really excited. We just brought it in with the groceries. We're also going to have with supper tonight this Asian salad, and I love Sam's potato salad. I love it. Like, I love their potato salad. It is so good. So I bought a thing of their potato salad that we'll have tonight. I just planned on potato salad, but then Caroline requested mashed potatoes. So anyway, so I needed some sugar. Got some sugar. Jessica got her. I did not even know they sold these. This big 2-pound block of extra sharp cheese. So I'll be getting me one of these next time we go. And for my Judabug, yep, the peanut butter M&Ms are his favorite. And he likes them in the candy jar. So I bought some of those. And here is our meat for tonight's supper. I bought 2 rotisserie chickens. So that's all I got at Sam's, I think. I think that's it. And then, of course, I got the church's supplies, but I dropped them off at the church. So, a little bit of Food Line, Hamrick's cups, and the rest was Sam's. And I really didn't spend a lot of time looking at Sam's for my own, for stuff for me. So, I probably need to go back pretty soon and spend some time in there. Okay, guys, with our supper tonight, which is just store-bought rotisserie chicken, I'm going to do mashed potatoes. And all I do is I've already peeled them, and I use the yellow potatoes for mashed potatoes because they're the best. And I just peel them really, I'll show you, just kind of a thin slice across. I don't chunk them up or anything. I mean, you can certainly slice them however you want to. I just go through, and it's just faster for me to just slice them like a potato chip. I mean, a little thicker than a potato chip, but in that shape. And so I've peeled them, and I just bring them over here to the sink, and I rinse them off. And I just slice them really quick. I know you can't see what I'm doing, but I just slice them really quick in the pot. I'll cover them with water, put some salt on them, and cook them till they're soft. And then, my secret ingredient is lots of butter. Actually, I put a whole stick of butter. And depending on what kind of milk, if I have half and half, if I have whole milk, I don't even know if I have any milk. I better look. Oops. Okay, guys, this is a really large pot, and in here I think I have approximately about 4 pounds of potatoes sliced up, and I'm just going to take my salt and give a good little douse of salt, probably a good tablespoon, and I'm going to fill it with water, and I'm just going to turn it on low, or medium high. Actually, I don't know why I said low. Medium high, and just let it cook until it's soft. And I just don't want it to boil over. And I've got this nifty little thing from Pampered Chef that keeps it from boiling over. Love it. Love it. I don't see that the wooden spoon trick works, but anyway, this silicone thing I have from Pampered Chef works like a charm. But we're going to let them get soft, and when we do, I've found some half and half, and I think it's going to be plenty, but if I don't, I'm going to look for some like evaporated milk, because guess who's out of whole milk and just left the grocery store and didn't get any? Yep, I see another trip to the grocery store in my future. So y'all, we've already had a hay customer call and want hay out of the field, so we are loading his truck up. We've unhooked the rake. We have another customer behind us getting hay on his truck. So, and then we save some for our cows as well as selling to others. So our cows will be thankful for this hay come fall and winter. This gentleman's getting 25 today, and we'll be getting 25 more tomorrow. There goes Mr. Bryant. Alright, he's pushing those bales up. Be sure he has them in there really good and snug. Now he'll turn that bale around and put it in the right way. He's going to finish filling the truck up like that, and then the gentleman will come back tomorrow for more. Howdy neighbor, happy harvest. Anybody know what movie that's from? So did any of you guys know what movie that is off of? Howdy neighbor, happy harvest. It's a musical. It's old. That's all I'm giving you. Leave me in the comments if you know what movie that's off of. Okay guys, I put a whole stick of butter in here, and I begin to mix it with my hand mixer. And I'm going to get my half and half and add to it, and they'll be ready. Okay guys, there it is. I put probably a third of a cup of half and half. Now you don't have to have half and half. Whole milk works just fine, or 2%. Any kind of milk works great. So creamy. Needs more salt, but we can add that at our plate, and it'll be delicious. So we'll meet you in here in the dining room. Okay guys, here is our thrown together supper from Sam's. They're rotisserie chicken, and Caroline has stolen all the skin off of it. And there is our potato salad, and I love Sam's potato salad. Our rolls, our Asian salad, and what little bit of potatoes we have left. I should have made more. And we're all enjoying supper. Hey, Levi.
Hi, Bubble.
Hey, Judybug.
Hey, Bubbles.
And Isaac got a lot of skin too, I think.
That's all I can eat.
That's all he can eat. He's doing keto, so he can't have anything else. Thank you guys for watching The Farm and Pastor's Wife. And remember, if the grease is hot enough, you can fry anything.